Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. The other amenities included such as premium leather, heated ventilated seats, Rev Industries tonneau cover, spray-on bed liner, power sliding sunroof, navigation, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling coupled storage at the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Up here you got your power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory and wood and chrome accents. You also get these chrome running boards here, and these power adjustable heated ventilated seats, high country stitch, nice. Left side you're going to have your 2- and 4-wheel, and as well as your lighting controls with heads-up display there. Left side, the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. With the odometer cluster control, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, as well as you can access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start, classic column truck shifter, and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot with navigation. You can also access your Chevrolet Maps Plus, OnStar services, your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as the bed view cam. And below here you're going to have your dual zone climate controls with lane keep assist, park assist, and auto stop. Just below that will be your integrated brake controller with your 2 USB ports, a 12 volt and an AC wall port. And then you're going to have your wireless charger pad with your center console, and SD card reader for navigation, 2 more USB ports, and lots of extra storage. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated and ventilated, with a high country stitch, wood and chrome across, with a double glove box, speakers and storage up top, with a regular and digital rear view. Oh, my bad. There we go. And here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, your power rear sliding window, and your power sliding sunroof. So you're going to have these 20-inch wheels on Cooper Discoverer AT3 tires. You're going to have this chrome high country badging with the paint match mirror caps and the chrome keyless entry door handles. Coming to the back, this Rev Industries hard folding tonneau cover. You're going to have paint match corner step bumper with the dual exhaust, trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. And into the back here, you're going to have your lamps with an AC wall port with around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. Onto the rear interior, again more paneling storage next to the speaker, power window with wood and chrome accent. On the back, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger driver's side with rear cup holders, rear heated seating and ventilation with 2 USB ports there. Cup holder and armrest right in the center, storage behind the seats, just a little storage under with lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as heated ventilated seats, Cooper all-terrain tires, Rev Industries hard folding tonneau cover, power sliding sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.